Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, and in the last video tutorial we discussed about roof, soffit, fascia and gutter. We saw various settings for creating soffit, fascia and gutter, and in today video tutorial I am going to discuss about how we will create a dormer roof in Revit. For this I am going to my create a new template, and I'm going to my imperial architectural template, and I'm going to select OK. And for first we have to create a four wall a simple room I'm going to make, and I'm going to select this rectangle command, and I'm going to this height of the wall I'm going to adjust to 10 feet, and I'm going to take any size 28 feet by 64 feet. And now we will create a slope roof for this, and I'm going to my roof by footprint, and I'm to level 2, and you can adjust the thickness of the roof. I'm going to change it in 9 inch too much, so I'm going to edit type, duplicate this, and after this structure edit, and you have to I'm going to change material also. I'm going to create new material, and I'm going to search for roof material, roof, like we discussed in our last video tutorial. So I'm going to roofing, and I'm going to select this asphalt single, and I'm going to apply OK, and I'm going to change this thickness to 4 inches. OK, OK. We have to create our sketch first, so I'm going to create our roof, and I'm going to create a slope roof. If you want, you can give offset also, and I'm going to finish edit mode, and now our roof is created. We will go to our 3D view and we'll check. So our roof is created, and now we have to create a dormer for this. For this roof we need to create dormers which are opening in our roof. So I am going to my level 1 for creating dormers. Any side you want to create, this side you have to make a dormer wall first. So I'm going to take a wall architecture, and I'm going to take for timing I'm going to select 12 feet, and I'm going to create walls here. I'm going to create in center, so you can select a wall of 6 feet, 7 feet and 6 feet. And now we will go to our view, and the wall height is less, so I'm going to select these all three walls. You have to click on any wall, and you have to hit tab command on your keyboard. So I'm hitting tab, so all three walls are selected, and I'm going to make this as 15 feet. I'm going to apply, so it is 15 feet. I'm going to increase bit more, so tab, select wall, and we have to increase more to understand better, so I'm making it. So now it depends on our this roof height. So now we are all set for creating roof for dormer. So I'm going to use roof by footprint for this. You can also use roof by extrusion, but my preference is roof by footprint. So I'm going to create roof for this, and roof and roof by footprint, and we are creating at level 2, and you can define slope for this roof, and you can also give offset 1 feet 6 inches, 1 feet 6 inches. And now I am going to create a roof for this. But the slope is from all sides. But for dormer roof I am going to make slope on these two sides, and these two sides will be, there will be no slope. So I am going to select this one, and I'm going to this define slopes, and I'm going to finish this We like to attach the highlighted wall to the roof. Attach. Now we'll check where it is, and the roof is not correctly placed here, so we have to increase the height. So I'm going to select the roof, and I'm going to make the base offset from level 2 to I'm going to make it 5 feet. And now the roof is adjusted. After this, you have to connect this roof to our base roof. These two are not connected, but for creating dormer, first you are required to connect this roof to this roof. So I'm going to select this roof, and now after this you have to go to this modify, and you have to select this join unjoin roof. Connect roof to other roofs or walls or reverse previous one. So I'm going to select this, and now after this you have to select on corner of this corner edge of this dormer roof, and after this you have to select this corner. So you can clearly see the size is increased, and it is connected to this roof. So after this, now we are required to create a dormer opening, and here is no opening. You can clearly see there is no opening. So we have to create opening so that light can enter. We can go to our top view. You can also go to your 2D view, and I am going to select this wireframe. And now these all three walls it's visible, and these are roof edges. So we have to create opening among these. So we have to be a bit careful while creating dormer opening. So I'm going to my architecture tab. Now we can select this dormer, which is just right side of our ribbon. And so we are all set to create dormer for this roof. So I'm going to select this dormer, which is in our ribbon panel, and I'm going to select this dormer, and we have to create opening. And for creating opening, I'm going to make this select this wall first, and now it will ask pick roof or wall edges. So I'm going to my top view, and I'm going to wireframe mode, and now we have to select this edges. So I'm going to select this edge, the interior one, and now we can select the wall edges also, all three side wall edges. And now we have to trim these all the corners, and we have to join all the corners so that opening can create without any difficulty. I'm going to use trim extend, trim extend, trim extend. So these all three corners are joined, and we can create openings. And now we'll go to our realistic view, and we'll check whether it is created or not. So sometimes we can find it difficult for creating, but we can check. And now you can see there is opening has been created. So we are all done, and dormer opening is created. But these three walls, there should be no three walls which are coming to the floor level. These all three walls uh, should be removed for making dormer visible. So what we'll do, we'll go to select all these three walls by clicking tab command on keyboard. I'm going to select all these three walls, and now you can select this attached top base, and now we have to attach to the base of the roof. So I'm going to select base of the roof, and I'm going to select this roof, and now there should be no wall in the bottom, and you can see very nice beautiful dormer roof is created, and we are all done. So this is the method to create a dormer, and sometimes you can find it difficult, but if you practice you can make nice dormers. So now we are all done, and I'm going to place a beautiful window here. I'm going to select this any window you can select. I'm going to select this 24 inch by 24 inch. Can increase size also, and I'm going to place this window, and you can see light is entering, and there is opening has been created in this dormer. Can adjust the window to the center, and it is very good for creating building planning in hilly areas. You can see lights is entering. So this is the correct method of creating dormer. So in the next video tutorial we will discuss more about in Revit architecture. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.